decided to snook in it. So my friend is with me today, so he just walk in the background today. So yeah, let's get started in here at the patio. Oh, nice piano. And yeah, the house is just right next to the road here. And I could just see the windows was broken and stuff like that. So yeah, we decided to check it out. And yeah, let's start here with the piano here. Oh, zoom in out here. Yeah. Nice piano. Nice fireplace here. And it looks like the house is getting what it's called fixed, you know. Look in here. But I don't know. The door was just open. And the neighbors is there. Yeah. But nice big house. There's also barns there, but we already checked it and there's stuff in there, so the barn is still getting used to something. But nice clean looking toilet here. And the water is still working here, as we found out. Yeah. So we can take a shower in here and have fun with roses and red wine and lovely music. You know what it means. So yeah, let's look at the house. But it has been big, nice house with big furnitures and stuff like that. So it's pretty nice. Also nice furnitures. Maybe they are going to tear it down or just fix it. We don't know. But lights not. Oh, there's no lights in here, so I think there's no power in here. Good looking kitchen here. And nice sink. Clean toilet with toilet paper. I'm confused. Oh, going down here. Yeah. And yeah, my friend is with me today. He's outside there. He's just walking around and thinking, oh my god, what are we doing? But yeah, sometimes my friends say, hey, let's can I come with you? And then they come in and then, whoa, it's another way to do it in real life than seeing the video. And yeah, I live in houses like this, so yeah, I don't, doesn't matter with me. Oh, this has definitely been some wine storage. I think it looks like that. Where's my friend? He's staying upstairs and scared. Maybe poop in the pants and pee. So yeah, he need a diaper on if he need go with me. But what is this? Why is there's holes there? It's actually good there's a friend with me. He can say, hey, somebody's here. But no one is here. It's getting dark outside. There's also attic here. Yeah. Oh. Big attic. Oh. I don't feel so safe walking up here, and just a general abandoned houses, attics, I don't feel safe. But yeah, that's because it has been standing many years, just standing, you know. And then it getting rotten away. Oh, where's my friend? Oh no, maybe he will scare me. We had cats in here. Yeah, meow. Let me turn down my lights here because we are close to the road from outside. But the window is just open here also. So I think the owner just don't care about people walking inside. I believe that. But yeah, every time I see a abandoned house, I will make a video. I will not miss something. Because you are also interested looking at it. But I think back in the days it has been a good time here eating. And just this big doors here, it looks very nice. So the family who was living here had a good job on the fields, making good money. What's up, world? We are just outside, not in nowhere. Oh, nice car. Suzuki wagon. Also there the door handtake. This looks nice. Also up there. Yeah. Oh, we are here again. This is also nice furniture. Yeah, this looks good. I think people know this house, the people who live here, and if they can hear me playing, oh my god, they will get scared. Oh, ghosts. Oh, was the delivery company out there, bring. Oh, ghost. Yeah, he's a ghost. This is nice. Some really old thing to heat up the house. I remember seeing this in another house. And there was a Danish flag, an old king, I think. I'm not sure. So yeah, let's go outside before somebody come and kick us out. Because I saw a man bicycle and he was looking at the house. And there was a little bit lights in my flashlight, so yeah. Don't touch. So yeah, something is going on in this house. But this is also just rotten away. So it takes some time to clean the house. But yeah, it has been a good place. Nice yellow house. Big one. Oh, it's getting dark, so I'll get home and get a shower and maybe a good meal somewhere. So yeah, I guess we see each other in the next video. I'll drive out there. I came from this way. And then I need to go out there. So yeah, have a great day and stay safe.